Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, excuse me, April 1st, April Fool's Day, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Now, I really shouldn't say good afternoon. It's actually about an hour and a half to midnight right now, my time. Did crazy thing today. I traded for the first 3.5 hours of the market day, and then I took off and drove 250 miles round trip over the mountains in a spring snowstorm to buy a car. And I was successful getting the car, but I'm way late in getting this video up. Nevertheless, I'll stay up and get it done. It was a fantastic day for us. A great way to start April. As you know, we had a very difficult March, and I was getting pretty discouraged, but things really took off with a bang today, and we had a better day, the first day of trading in April, than we had all month in March. So I hope that is a sign of things to come. I'm showing you the Dow chart here. The Dow just took off and screamed, ended up 333 points, closing almost on its high up here. And it's up to 26,262. That's what I'm showing on my chart. Anyway, so we're like 700 some points. That's all from making new all-time highs in the Dow. I've been predicting that will happen very shortly, and as things are right now, it could happen this week. We'll just have to see. It's definitely a bull market, and predictably, we did very well today with our positions. You know, we didn't have a whole lot going, it seemed like, on Friday, but we ended up holding on to 4 of those positions from Friday because they moved so strongly in our favor. And then we got into some good stuff new today. So what happened, we closed out over $13,000 in positive closed out trades, and then we got into 16 new positions, 7 positive, 9 negative. But in spite of that 9 negative, we're holding almost $7,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So combine the 13 and the 17, or 13 and the 7, we got a $20,000 day going so far. Knock on wood. But like I say, that's the best single day we've had in over 4 weeks. So I am very happy about that. I'll show you 3 of the stocks that did really well today. I'm going to show you 2 that we closed out, and then 1 we're still in. This first one that we closed out is really nice. This is Blink Charging Company, and we bought this Friday right at the end of the first hour, and it did close profitably, but not by very much. But there, it popped up very nicely for us this morning, and we took almost $4,000 out of Blink Charging. And then this was the real biggie for the day. This is TG Therapeutics Incorporated. We bought this the second hour, and it took off and then it backed off, and we closed just marginally profitable, but it gapped up this morning very nicely, and we got out right here about 2.5 hours into the day, and we took out almost $8,000 out of TG Therapeutics. So that was a really spectacular trade. And then finally, I'll show you one that we're still in. This was one of those deals where instead of getting out, we hang on to it for another day. This is Momo Incorporated, and you can see here on Friday we bought it toward the end of the day. It actually closed slightly against us there, but it just took off and screamed today. And of course, we hold on to it when it does that, and currently we're up $3,500 in open trade equity in Momo Incorporated. So just a great day, very satisfying, and I promise tomorrow I won't go driving over the mountains and buying any cars. You guys have a nice evening. I'll be back here tomorrow.